We also have a fill in the blank option. The fill in the blank option can auto grade if you like it to, and it would work great in something like this where students are being asked to unscramble some words. So in this case, we can add acceptable answers so that they will auto grade and students and you will know if they've gotten it right. So the answer to this question is South Carolina and Pennsylvania. The boxes are not case sensitive, so the students can put capital letters or not, and so I can put South Carolina and Pennsylvania. And then if you're not sure if students will use that and sign, you could also make another correct answer with the word and that way it'll count either of those correct, and you can do that as many times as you like. You can also set points for those, and that way at the end of them completing that page, it will show how many points they've gotten to you or to the students if you choose.